The health benefits of eating fish are always under study. Today, it's said that most fish, like sardines, are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. If you want to make healthy eating choices, you need to stay informed, so seeing how these little guys end up on your kitchen table is a good way to start. Sardines from the Pacific coastal waters off Costa Rica are freshly packaged in a variety of tasty flavors. It starts when sardines are put into a vat of icy water to keep them fresh. The temperature of the fish must be kept below 5 degrees Celsius to avoid spoiling. The fresh sardines then go through a machine that deposits them onto sorting lanes. Each lane allows a certain size fish to fall through the gap onto a chute below. Sorted as small, medium, or large, the fish drop into the proper container. Then workers load a specific size of sardine into a machine that removes the scales. Removing the scales takes 3 to 11 minutes, depending on the size of the fish. Once done, there's no mistaking a sardine with or without scales. Workers then place descaled sardines onto trays that take them into a cutting machine. They arrange the sardines on the trays in such a way that blades inside the machine will cut off the heads and tails. A look inside the cutting machine shows how it removes the heads and tails and sends them on their separate ways. It also cuts open and cleans out the bodies of the sardines and readies them for packing. The packing cans travel by conveyor to a workstation, with their bottom side up and open. They fill the cans manually to decrease the possibility of introducing foreign matter into them. The worker draws on his experience to estimate the required weight, then stuffs and trims the fish to fill the cans one by one. To be sure each can is exactly the right weight, he weighs and adjusts the amount in each tin. In only a matter of minutes, he completes a set of cans. Then another worker turns the set over and sends the open bottom cans into an oven that cooks the sardines at about 100 degrees Celsius. After cooking for about 25 minutes, a worker turns the set of cans over again and transfers them onto a conveyor system. All the cooked sardines gradually funnel into a single file, and, depending on the product, a filling machine treats them to oil or a specific flavor of tomato sauce. The filling machine overfills the cans with sauce, but a flute hidden inside the machine removes just enough sauce to put the lids on properly. The machine pressure seals the lids onto the cans so that when they exit the machine, they're airtight. The traveling cans then enter a machine that washes them in about 90 degrees Celsius water and makes them spotless. Pallets of cans then go into a chamber that sterilizes the product to keep it fresh. Then the cans go into a labeling machine that applies a thin coating of glue and pre-cut paper labels onto each one. The finished product comes out of the machine with an attractive, full-color label ready to ship to the customer. Sardines come in a variety of flavors with easy-to-open packages that maintain the freshness of the fish.
I don't have never slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love